Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text from video. This guide will show you simple ways to convert spoken words or on-screen text from your videos into a written format. Extracting text can be incredibly useful for various purposes, like creating summaries, improving accessibility, or quickly finding specific information. We'll cover the essential steps and tools to make this process easy and effective for you, saving you valuable time and effort. There are several effective methods to extract text from your videos. One popular approach involves using online transcription services, which often leverage advanced artificial intelligence to convert spoken words into text with high accuracy. Many video editing software programs also offer integrated captioning tools that can automatically generate transcripts. For text that appears visually on screen, optical character recognition, or OCR, software is an excellent choice to capture that information. Let's walk through the simple steps to get your text. First, select your preferred tool, whether it's an online transcriber or an OCR application, and upload your video file. Once the processing is complete, carefully review the generated text. It's crucial to edit for any errors in spelling, grammar, or punctuation to ensure accuracy. Finally, export your polished text into a convenient format like a Word document or a plain text file, ready for your use. To achieve the best possible text extraction, consider these helpful tips. Always strive for clear audio in your videos. Good sound quality significantly improves transcription accuracy, often by 20 to 30%. If you're using OCR, ensure your video resolution is high, as this makes on-screen text much easier to recognize. For very long videos, consider breaking them into smaller, more manageable segments, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes each, to streamline the process and improve results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.